Welcome, friends, to my series Teching You Out. My name is Chloe George. She's so cute. And I am a creative entrepreneur, a friends lover, interior designer, lover of all things tech and digital, but most importantly, your new biz BFF. In this series, I will walk you through the ins and outs of the tech software you will need to automate, organize, and elevate your biz so you can get back to doing the things that you love the most, creating. So make sure to check it out. In today's video, I have a super exciting one. It's very much requested. I'm going to teach you how to create your Instagram bio links using your very own Squarespace website. And why is this important? You know that thing that people like, click the link in bio? Well, every single post of yours must have a CTA or call to action. And if you're sending your followers to your link in bio, then they need to find a place where all your links can be found. This makes it easier to connect with you. It can also be updated easily every time you do have a new link for your promotions, etc. And it makes you look like a super cool badass when they click your link. Hi, thank you so much for joining me again for another episode of Teching You Out, the tech series where I teach you how to create simple techniques for your business to elevate your business. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to create your own little IG links page. I know you've seen them all. So many people have it where they use Linktree to kind of create a links list. Well, you can create that if you have Squarespace or any other website for that matter, but you can create this for yourself. I'm going to show you today kind of how I did mine on Squarespace. So this is what my IG links looks like. It looks different on a mobile device, of course, but it's the title, who I am, and here are all my links. Now, again, I'm going to pop up on the screen, probably right here. I'm going to show you what it looks like when someone actually clicks on it on a mobile device. It looks a lot different than what you're looking at now, because this looks like it's kind of undone in a way because this banner is kind of not hitting side to side on a laptop. So it's just a little different. And then these little things are kind of in the middle, kind of drifting in the middle, if you will. But again, it's going to look a whole lot different when it's on a mobile device. Now, I've made my links or my links kind of design using Canva, but you can use this with your buttons, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So, for example, what you're going to need to do is create a new page. So I'm just going to hit plus sign and hit the blank button. Now I'm going to title this. I can't title it IG because I already have one. So I'm going to do IG other for the case of just showing you how to do this. Now we are in our page template. We're going to hit edit. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create or add in your kind of like header, who you are, anything that you like. So you can just hit image. Let me see if I can find something that's doable for the sake of this video. So I'm going to go into my kind of downloads and let's just use this just again for the sake of this video. I'm going to use this image. I'm waiting for it to upload. So while we wait for that, I'm going to show you what that looks like, and I can make this smaller, larger. Let's just say that's all I want, right? Then underneath that, so that's your banner. So that's the first thing that people are going to see when they click on the IG links, right? So that's your banner. You're going to go ahead and click plus. And now the simplest way, because of course I'm very extra, so the simplest way for you to do this would be to hit button, right? So hit your buttons, and then you're going to create what you'd like them to do. So you could do visit my, oops, I always spell things wrong when I'm doing these tutorials, visit my website. and you can add another, same button, and to kind of keep them uniform, use the same size. And I'll show you a little trick. I'm actually going to paste a little code that you can use to add to your website if you know about coding. I'm gonna leave it down below. But what happens is, in Squarespace, if you don't have this code injection, your buttons will actually be different sizes depending on the words that you use. So in order for them to be kind of uniform and kind of just one line no matter what you type, I have this 3 codes. This is my medium size, and you can kind of change. Again, if you know code injection, you can kind of change the sizing of it. So if your medium buttons, you want it to be at 80%, 60%, but it's going to be throughout your entire site, so that things can kind of have a sense of uniformity. So let's say your next one you want to do is subscribe to the newsletter. I'm just making stuff up as we go. No rhyme or reason. The next one we're going to do is, we're going to do another one. We're going to, again, keep it the same one. We're going to do grab your freebie. The next one we're going to do, let's just do 4. Let's do this one. I don't know, free mini course. Literally, it's whatever you want, you know? So I'm going to do 5 just to make it look a little better. And then 5, I'm going to do, let's say, whoops, my YouTube channel or whatever, right? So now you have your 5 buttons. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is what the page looks like. Again, it looks different on mobile. So this is what the page looks like. Then you're going to go ahead and hit edit again. I just want to show you what that looks like. And each button you do, okay, so you have your buttons, but you need to link them somewhere. So you're going to click on your buttons. You're going to hit edit. And then you're going to select a click through. So if you want them to take them back, for example, I put this in my website, so I'm going to have, you know, just my website URL. I could do a subscribe to the newsletter. I'm going to use, actually, no. I'm going to lead them to my landing page. Again, I already have these linked, but it's just for the sake of this video. So I'm going to hit edit. I'm going to paste that URL there, apply, grab your freebie. I'm just going to put the same URL. So you get the gist. You put in the things that you want to link to, basically. So let's do the channel. And I'll do that. And then you just hit apply. Now at the bottom of this, you can do, what I did was return to home, so they can click on it and actually returns them back to the home page. But you can leave it here. You can do follow my Instagram, whatever you want to do. Is pretty much, see how simple that was? That was literally like 5 minutes or maybe a little more. But that's your banner. And then I'm going to show you in a screenshot on the side here somewhere in the screen. I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like when you're on a mobile device. For more tech videos and to check out the series, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with your friends.